Have you ever dreamed of living in another country? If the answer is yes, you're not alone. I think almost every person around the world would like to do it, but you definitely need to speak another language first. You can't go to England if you don't speak English, and going to Spain is the same thing. I currently live in my home country, but I have always dreamed of living in Germany because it is a big country, it has a high quality of life, and many other things. And that brings us to the core of this channel, language. Right now, my main focus is English. I know still have a long way to go, and if you can hear my accent, you can probably tell that English is not my first language. That's okay though. It's a huge step just being able to share these ideas with you in English. My current level, I would say, is intermediate. I can understand most of what I read or what, but when I have to speak or write, I still make some mistakes with prepositions and linking words. I actively working on that. So how am I learning? I'm using a mix of tools. First, I'm on Duolingo every day, drilling vocabulary and basic structures. Second, I'm trying to immerse myself. I try to watch videos of native speakers and seriously like Superstar with the subtitles. But the most powerful tool in my arsenal is an IA model called Gemini. I use it like personal tireless tutor. I write out my full ideas like this very script and then ask Gemini to point out every single grammatical error, especially those strictly prepositions and conjugations. This direct error by error feedback has been crucial for quickly building muscle memory in the language. This channel isn't just about showing you the final product, it's about showing you the messy, real process of getting fluent, and that process starts with English. But here's the thing about the intermediate stage, it's easy to hit a plateau. That's when you stop making progress because you get comfortable with what you already know. To break through this comfort zone and really active my speak skills, I've started using an app called Tandem. It connects me with language exchange partners from all over the world. It's a bit scary to talk to strangers, but it's the only way to make the English I'm learning actually flow in a real conversation. The bigger picture, though, is the method. I want to build a system that can be used for any language. And my next big text after reaching fluency in English is Mandarin Chinese. I'm already starting to look into the basic tones and characters just to get my brain warmed up. In future videos, I will dive deep into my personalized methods for attacking vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation in Chinese. So if you're trying to move from beginner to intermediate or from intermediate to fluency, you're in the right place. This channel will documenting every success, every failure, and every new tip I'm learning along the way. If you like this first look into my language journey, please hit that like button and subscribe. Tell me in the comments below. What's the first new language you want to learn? See you in the next video.